Night vision view attached photo. Now we can see what happens on the back porch. The picture is excellent. The feed comes up pretty quickly. Overall, I'd recommend the doorbell and the cameras. I chose the wired version because I didn't want to constantly change or recharge a battery. I also believe that lithium batteries are unsustainable for the environment, so I only use them when it is feasible. The wired connection for this camera is one of kind, and I didn't see it for other competitive cameras. The Ring camera is very powerful, and to use all of its functions effortlessly I would recommend that you not use the battery design. For installation I thought about cutting the plug off and drilling a small hole through the trim to get the wire into the garage, but I changed my mind. You never know if there are filters or other functions in the plug that support the camera. Instead, I ran the wire on the outside to the corner and then fed it between the weather stripping to get it inside. This was a very quick install and left the camera intact as designed. You can see it in the picture attached. I bought the Chime Pro with my Ring doorbell, so I connected through that. You have to reboot the Chime Pro and re-add every device. Once that is done, it works fine. Sometimes the picture and lid function is slow to see on the phone. I blame this on Comcast for throttling the speed on my connection. We should never have removed net neutrality. The consumer got screwed on this change. My recommendation to Ring is to add a 7-day storage of images on the device so the access locally is very fast. The cloud storage just slows everything down, but works fine when I am traveling. The image, audio, lights, alarm, and speaker work very well. Ring made a really good product and their advertising is very truthful. Nice to see this in business. It connected easily to my Wink home security. I want to use the motion alert from the camera to turn on other lights through the Z Plus network for dimmers. This will be fun to implement once I receive the dimmers. I chose Leviton switches. Love this camera. Have to nest in this Ring. The interface, GUI, is not as smooth as you need to click through a few things to get to video, but it shows on the Echo Show and works perfectly. Great picture. Click link in description for more reviews.